Hello everyone, welcome to Infigyan in this very exciting video of functional equations. Today we are going to solve f sine square theta plus f cosine square theta equal to tan square theta if theta is in between 0 to 2 pi. Principal solution we will find out. Important point is fx is given in this question, 36 power x over 36 power x plus 6. Earlier we have solved number of questions where fx we need to find out. In this problem, we have to solve the functional equation where fx is known. So this is unique about this question. So let's get started. I will consider substitution as usual. I will write this is t. If sine square theta equal to t, then cosine square theta would be 1 minus t. Cos square theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So our equation will convert f of t plus f of 1 minus t equal to tan square. I am not putting that value. I am just evaluating the left hand side after substitution. We will talk about tan square theta but little later. Okay, let's find out LHS after substitution. Let me write here. Substitution, we have taken sine square theta equal to t. Okay. Let me find out fx is given. So ft would be 36 power t over 36 power t plus 6. Let me put here. That value will be 36 power t. Let me write over 36 power t plus 6. Simply ft. Replace t by 1 minus t. So 36 power 1 minus t over 36 power 1 minus t plus 6. Let me solve only this term first because it is having negative 1 minus something term. Exponent is. Let me write using this property a raised to the power x minus y, then I can write easily a raised to the power x over a raised to the power y. So this term will become 36 over 36 power t over 36 over 36 power t plus 6. Now I will multiply numerator denominator by 36 power t. Let's do it. So it will give us 36 over 36 plus 6 times 36 power t. Now I will divide numerator and denominator by 6. Okay, let me divide by 6, by 6, by 6. Second term, I would call second term, that will come out 6 over 6 plus 36 power t. Just check. Let's put the value. So it will become, our LHS will become 36 power t. The first term as it is I have written. Now second term which we have simplified, this one. So I will write 6 over 6 plus 36 power t. You can see denominator is same. So simply we will add up numerator terms 36 power t plus 6. What is happening? It is coming out 1. So important part of this question is it will come out in terms of constant. See, so what is ultimately we are going to write? Tan square theta equal to 1. Because your left hand side is 1. So rather to solve right hand side in terms of t, after writing this, better is to find out what is coming out left hand side as a functional equation. And if that value is constant, then we will directly put right square side, the right hand side function as 1, that constant value. So now we have to only solve this trigonometric equation. Let's solve it. So tan square theta equal to 1, that means tan theta equal to plus minus 1. So I will show you two ways to solve this. First is mathematical. Let me write here. General solution would be in this interval, then principal solution it would be called. I will write n pi plus minus pi by 4. We will see unit circle also. So let me solve this by using n value. N belongs to z. Okay. Now theta equal to 0 I am putting. If I will put theta equal to 0, n equal to 0, n equal to 0, then theta will come out plus minus pi by 4. Okay. So in this interval we have to find out, we will reject minus pi by 4. We will accept pi by 4. So I am considering which I am accepting. Now put n equal to 1. Theta will be equal to pi plus minus pi by 4. If I will consider plus sign, then pi plus pi by 4. So that value will be 5 pi over 4. If I will take minus sign, pi minus pi by 4. So that value will come out 3 pi over 4. Both values lie in the interval 0 to 2 pi. So I will accept both. So 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4. You can check, it is slightly 3 pi over 4 means you can find out that value 45 times 3, 135. And second one is 45 times 5. So that value will be 225 degrees. So it is lying in the interval 0 to 2 pi means 0 to 360. Let us find out n equal to 2, what will happen. Theta equal to 2 pi plus minus pi over 4. If I will solve it, then 8 pi plus 1, 9 pi over 4. And if I will take minus sign, then 7 pi over 4. 9 pi over 4, which is exceeding more than 2 pi. So this will be rejected. Which value will we will accept? 7 pi over 4. These are 4 solutions for your given equation tan theta equal to plus minus 1. So we can write theta equal to pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4. We will see the solution using graph also. Graph of tan theta, 7 pi by 4. Now just see unit circle method. I can demonstrate this using, this is theta equal to pi by 4 plus 1 minus pi by 4. Now we will do only one thing, add pi to both values. So one value, if you will add pi, then we will reach here. This value is 3 pi over 4. Add pi to pi by 4. So I will reach here. So that value will be 5 pi over 4. Okay. And now it is minus pi by 4. So minus pi by 4 is same as 2 pi minus pi by 4. So in this context, I can write it is 7 pi by 4. 2 pi minus pi by 4. If I will add pi by 4 here, then I will reach 2 pi. So that means it is 7 pi by 4. This is how we can proceed. Now see the graph part. This is the graph of tan function. Tan is undefined at pi by 2. This point is pi by 2. 0 minus pi by 2. Now I will take, okay, so it is 0 pi by 2, 0 pi by 2. This interval would be, so that value will be 3 pi by 2. And if I will add pi to this, then it will be 5 pi over 2. So no need to write there. This point is 2 pi. You can check 0 pi by 2, pi 3 pi by 2. This value would be 2 pi. Now let's draw two parallel lines. One is for, let me write here first, tan theta equal to plus minus 1. So this line is y equal to plus 1 and lower line is y equal to minus 1. Now you can easily see how many intersections are there. Only consider right hand side from the origin. And interval should be less than 2 pi. So you have to restrict up to this point. Now you can see there are 4 intersections. First one is, let me write, this point is at x equal to this point. Let me write here pi by 4. Then it is 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, and last one is 7 pi over 4, which is slightly less than 2 pi. So you can see there are 4 intersections with the tangent graph, tan graph, with line y equal to 1 and y equal to minus 1. Okay, this is how we can find out using graphs. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video.